Hey y'all, in this video I'm sharing my very first time making cinnamon rolls, what went well, what I do differently, and why this bake helped me decide where I want to go next with bread making. This was my first time ever making cinnamon rolls from scratch. I kneaded the dough by hand, and I'll be honest, that part took more effort than I expected. Off camera, I did end up putting the dough in my stand mixer for about 3 minutes just to finish it off. My camera ran out of storage though, and my toddler had just woken up from his nap. Real life be happening over here. One thing I learned is that floss does work for cutting cinnamon rolls, but next time I'll definitely use my bench scraper because it's faster and more consistent, because you all can clearly see I was struggling with my particular brand of floss. I also mixed the cinnamon sugar filling and the icing off camera, mostly to save time and keep things moving. Overall, the rolls came out good, amazing, but I will not lie, cinnamon rolls are a lot of work. Some of the supplies that you see in this video, like the boxes you will see at the end, the roller I was using, icing tools, etc., can be found at Walmart and Amazon. I'm proud to share that I'm a Walmart partner, and I've put together a free supplies list in the description so you can see exactly what I use. This bake actually confirmed something for me. While I enjoyed the process, I'm realizing I'm more drawn to bread making, especially wanting to get into working with fresh milled flour and simpler everyday breads because of the variety and the health part of it. Cinnamon rolls were a good test, but bread feels like where I want to focus long term. These are perfect. These are so perfect. So if you're also on a journey of learning, baking, or building something one step at a time, don't be afraid to try things just to see how they feel. And don't forget, my free supplies list is in the description for all of you who want to try this at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.